Hello, I'm Charlie Riggins with Pi Barker, and if you've spent any time around pumps, compressors, blowers, motors, or process equipment, you know the industry never stands still. Every week brings new technology, new challenges, and new opportunities to improve reliability, efficiency, and safety. Today, I've got three stories that caught my attention because they address issues many of us deal with every day: sustainability in process equipment, hidden operational risks that can impact production, and a major breakthrough in motor efficiency for hazardous environments. Let's get started. Emerson has introduced a breakthrough in instrumentation, the world's first PEX-lined magnetic flow meter. This innovation provides a PFAS-free alternative to traditional PTFE liners, combining environmental responsibility with operational reliability. The new PEX liner delivers abrasion resistance that extends service life in demanding applications. It also offers chemical durability, ensuring compatibility across water, wastewater, and mining industries. In addition, the liner can withstand temperatures up to 95 degrees Celsius, 203 degrees Fahrenheit, covering most industrial process requirements. Because of its resilience, operators can expect lower maintenance costs, reduced erosion, and fewer shutdowns. This liner technology is now available in Emerson's Rosemount 8750W magnetic flow meters, Rosemount MS magnetic sensors, and Rosemount 8705 flanged sensors. By integrating PEX, operators gain longer equipment life, improved compliance, and more sustainable operations. While PTFE remains the choice for extreme chemical and temperature conditions, PEX provides a cost-effective, eco-friendly solution for a wide range of processes. Emerson is also working to expand liner sizes beyond 8 inches, broadening its applicability across industries. Emerson's new PEX-lined magnetic flow meter is a reminder that innovation isn't always about adding complexity. Sometimes it's about finding a smarter, more practical way to solve a problem while reducing environmental impact. Speaking of problems that often go unnoticed until they become expensive, our next story focuses on operational technology risks that many facilities are unknowingly living with every day. Across process plants worldwide, operational technology risks are often overlooked. Systems run as usual and vulnerabilities are tolerated until production suddenly feels the impact. Industry experts warn that cybersecurity gaps, outdated equipment, and weak integration between IT and OT systems are creating silent threats. These risks may remain invisible for months, but when they surface, the consequences can include downtime, safety incidents, and financial losses. The challenge lies in normalization. Operators grow accustomed to small issues, like inconsistent data, delayed alarms, or minor system failures, and accept them as part of daily operations. Over time, these normal risks accumulate, leaving plants exposed to larger disruptions. The solution is proactive management. Companies are urged to implement continuous monitoring, strengthen cybersecurity protocols, and foster collaboration between IT and OT teams. By treating risks as strategic priorities rather than routine nuisances, plants can safeguard reliability and efficiency. Ignoring OT risks is no longer an option. Preventive action today ensures stable production tomorrow. One thing I've learned over the years is that the biggest threats to plant performance aren't always mechanical failures. Sometimes they're the risks we stop noticing because they've become part of the daily routine. That's why our final story is interesting. Instead of focusing on risk management, ABB is tackling another major challenge facing industrial operations today: improving energy efficiency without sacrificing reliability or safety. ABB has achieved a world first with the introduction of its IE6 hyper-efficiency SynRM motor, designed specifically for hazardous areas. Certified under ATEX and IECEX requirements, this motor eliminates the need for rare earth magnets, offering a sustainable and cost-effective solution for industries where safety and reliability are paramount. The innovation delivers up to 60% lower energy losses compared to conventional designs, making it one of the most efficient motors available today. By removing permanent magnets, ABB reduces dependency on critical raw materials while ensuring consistent performance in explosive or high-risk environments. This motor is particularly valuable for sectors such as oil and gas, chemicals, and mining, where hazardous conditions demand equipment that meets the highest safety standards. Operators can expect lower operating costs, improved energy efficiency, and reduced environmental impact. ABB's SynRM technology combines the simplicity and robustness of induction motors with the efficiency of permanent magnet motors, without the magnets. This breakthrough underscores ABB's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and industrial safety. ABB's magnet-free IE6 motor is redefining efficiency and reliability in hazardous areas, setting a new global standard for sustainable industrial operations. These stories may cover different technologies, but they all point to the same trend. Industrial operations are becoming smarter, more efficient, and more focused on long-term reliability. Whether it's a more sustainable flow meter, stronger OT risk management, or a next-generation motor designed for hazardous environments, the goal remains the same: keeping production running safely while controlling costs. I'm Charlie Riggins with PieBarker, and thanks for spending a few minutes with me. For more industrial news, insights, and practical solutions for pumps, compressors, blowers, and vacuum systems across Georgia and Florida, visit piebarker.com. Until next time, stay safe, stay productive, and keep those systems running.